This little area here is what you're trying to put in. Go back my next time to fuel up, couldn't pop the fuel door open. Didn't work. Well, it was a good try. You go to Amazon and you order this little spring. Check it. Oh. So you have to get the right tool.
We make the streams louder.
Hey YouTube, it's your boy Magnificent. Been a minute, but there's a problem that I thought, was worthy, small one for you to see. So I was at the gas station and I heard a little ding, 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 ding. I was just getting gas. Some little spring fell. I said, big deal. Drove away in California. Go back my next time to fuel up. Couldn't pop the fuel door open. Click, click, click. So first things first, if you ever have it where this Camry door does not open, I was screwed for a second. But I thought, on my feet, I said, there has to be a way, So you go and pop the trunk and you got to go ahead and pop the headliner, this little liner. And you see this little yellow emergency thing, because you got to figure out there have to be emergencies, right? What are you going to do? You pull this little emergency thing, you pull it, and look what happened. Just like that. So if that ever happens to you, that's what it is. But you go to Amazon and you order this little spring. That's all it is. So I'm going to show you. Oop, there's the broken one right there. So here's the broken one. So it goes on like so. Let me show you real quick. Here's the broken one. It fits in there and it goes on like so, there we go. So that's how it's supposed to be. But see that's broken? Let me kind of, the spring broke there. So the way you take it off, you just push back and this pulls off, that goes off. So you're gonna put this one in here. And again, it's real cheap from Amazon. And the way it works is, let me see if I can get that bad boy in there. One sec. Well, the easiest way, go down first, then up, doing it with one hand, so bear with me. So, see this little area here is what you're trying to put in. See if I can zoom. Yeah, so get it in there, go back a little, boom, now it's in. So now, gotta get it in here, go up a little bit. See, there's a little area, a little lip. You gotta get that lip over. Once I get that lip over, so this little piece, the little lip, get that over around and then you'll be doing this spring in the future. When you hit that button, it'll pop out. So I'll show you. Let me see if I can do it with one hand. There we go, boom. It's in, folks. It's in. So I'm gonna test it out. Let's see if it works. So that's right there. Let's press that button. Didn't work. Well, it was a good try. Let's try this again. Didn't work again. Let's see what happens. So this one did not work. It was more of a generic one. I got another one that was specific to this model. This spring is really, really loose, so I'm wondering if that's it. So I'm gonna take the spring off and I'm gonna replace it with this and let's see if this one works. So let's see if we can do it with one hand. And you'll notice how easily this one comes off. Oops, well, that's actually what broke last time. Let's see what we got here. I might get a little tool and pop it off. Methinks. Now that's off, just use this tool that was in the back of my car. Now we'll put this new one in and let's see what happens. So we'll wrap it around here first. So it actually goes this way. So all right, let's try this again. What to do with one hand, so I'm gonna do two hands. The two-hand trick worked, so I close it. Let's see if it works. We press this button. So I'm gonna press this and let's see. It worked. Try it again. Check it. Boom. So you have to get the right tool. There's a lot of springs on Amazon. You got to make sure it's this model. This one specifically was very, very tight. The other one was very, very loose. So just don't get the wrong spring and you're good. So that was fixed, guys. It cost me $7 on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. Magnificent out.